In this video, we'll see how to make a simple portable power supply for the CPLD. Here is the circuit for our power supply. For the input, I'm using a 9-volt battery here. And then we have a switch in case your battery holder doesn't have any switch. We have a slide switch here. And then this is just the regular voltage regulator, LM7805, to get the 5 volt. And then we need 2 capacitors. The output of the voltage regulator will be 5 volt. With the 5 volt, we can then feed it into the DC jack of the CPLD like so. This is the output. Use the wire into the DC jack, male plug, and then plug it into the CPLD like this to power the CPLD. And in case you forget the pin numbering for the LM voltage regulator, you can look at here. The leftmost leg is 1, the center is 2, and the rightmost leg is pin number 3.